The Denver Fire Department presents the annual Fit for Fire Performance Evaluation, or PE. The PE is a measure of an individual's ability to physically perform essential functions required in the occupation of firefighting. All members are encouraged to use this training film to better understand the requirement of the 9 stations of the performance evaluation to assist them to complete the evaluation within the prescribed time limit. The stations within the performance evaluation are positioned 75 feet apart and are completed in succession. The 9 stations are donning your gear and going on air, the ladder throw, forcible entry, high-rise backpack evolution, hose advance and pull, ceiling breach, equipment carry, ventilation Kaiser sled, and the victim rescue. Donning your gear and going on air must be completed within 2 minutes, per the standard. The performance evaluation begins when the firefighter first touches the ladder. This station tests the firefighter's ability to carry and throw a 75-pound, 24-foot extension ladder and raise it to the appropriate climbing angle. You must position the ladder correctly with the fly section out. Tying the halyard is not necessary. Once completed, walk to the next station. After walking 75 feet, you must pick up a 10-pound double jack and strike the forcible entry machine enough times to exert 850 pounds of force to activate a buzzer and light. Once completed, put down the double jack and walk to the next station. After walking 75 feet to the next station, you must don a 50-foot, 2-inch high-rise pack over your SCBA cylinder and simulate walking up 3 flights of stairs in a high-rise. You must step up and down 30 times on a 7 3/4-inch high step. After the 30th step, return the high-rise pack and then walk to the next station. After walking 75 feet, you must advance 100 feet of 1 3/4 charged hose line 75 feet, a task common to any engine company firefighter. This is the only task where running is permitted. Once you've reached the location 75 feet from the starting point, you must then crawl, following the hose 50 feet back to the first coupling. After reaching the coupling, pull the hose back to you. Once you have the nozzle, walk to the next station. Using a 30-pound hook, the firefighter simulates opening up a ceiling to check for fire extension. You must extend the hook and strike the simulated ceiling a total of 30 repetitions. Once completed, walk to the next station. This station simulates carrying equipment to and from the apparatus to the fireground. You will carry a medical and oxygen bag 75 feet. Place the 2 bags on the ground and pick up a humid valve and return it 75 feet to the starting position. Once completed, walk to the next station. This station simulates performing vertical ventilation using a hand tool. It requires a firefighter to use a 9.5-pound sledgehammer to strike a Kaiser sled enough times to move it 36 inches as shown. Good contact is made when a ping sound is heard between the sledgehammer and the Kaiser sled. Once completed, walk to the next station. The final station simulates pulling and dragging an unconscious victim out of a dangerous area. The 165-pound rescue mannequin is already secured by webbing, giving you a handle used to drag it if you choose. A part of the rescue mannequin must be in contact with the ground at all times. You must drag or carry the mannequin 37.5 feet around a cone and back, totaling 75 feet. Once the victim's feet cross the 75-foot mark, the evaluation is complete and your time is recorded. At the conclusion of the test, you will be sent to a rehab station to rehydrate and have your vitals taken. After a brief rest period, your vitals will be taken again.